Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can stop being quick added over on Snapchat. So in order to stop being quick added on Snapchat, or basically disable quick add over on Snapchat, what you need to do is head over to your Snapchat app, just like this. And once you've done that, simply head over to the top left corner of your screen at that profile picture. Once you're at your basically your camera tab over on Snapchat, so you're going to be right here. Once you're at your profile, what you can simply do is head over to the top right corner of your screen again at that settings icon. And once you're right here, simply scroll down. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure to scroll down until you find privacy controls, which is right here. Once you've done that, what you simply need to do is click on See Me in Quick Add. And then basically if you want to not have your profile being shown in Quick Add, what you can do is disable it. And once you've done that, that's basically all you need to do. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.